Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's 12:01 on June 18th, and we've been hearing things on the internet saying, hey, there's a big announcement from Ram, and it is a big announcement for Ram. A lot of people thought there would be a new truck or something like that, and it's not. It's actually Ram is up in the ante with a new 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Now, while that doesn't seem like, oh, hey, it's not as exciting as a new truck or a sport truck or whatever, it's big news for Ram, and the reason why is this is the biggest powertrain warranty we've seen come out of Chrysler Group since 2005. Now, you might remember back in 2002, back then it was Daimler Chrysler that was calling the shots. Back then, and also it was just Chrysler, Jeep, and Dodge. There was no Ram brand. It was part of Dodge. They introduced this. I had to do some digging online to find this press release, but this is the original press release back in July 8th of 2002. Daimler Chrysler announced 7-year, 70,000-mile powertrain warranty for Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge vehicles in the U.S. And the very interesting thing is, at the time, this was all over commercials.
Grab Dodge's 770 powertrain limited warranty. Ford, Chevy, and Toyota don't match it.
This was all over like magazine ads, all that, and it brought a lot of people into the brands because they liked the fact that, hey, it's kind of a peace of mind kind of thing, you know, on top of having the standard, 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty at the time. Now, since this program was discontinued in 2005, we've seen powertrain warranties could basically go to 5-year, 50,000 miles. But Tim said he has a lot of trust and believes in his powertrain, so he went up to 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Now, again, this is only for the Ram brand now. We're hoping that maybe in the future we'll see it trickle down to Dodge and Jeep and Chrysler. It'd be nice to see those who are looking at buying a Dodge Hornet be able to get a 10-year, 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty. That would be kind of cool. But for right now, it's Ram products. And if you're wondering what Ram products that is, we can go down here and we'll tell you. It's not just the 2026 Ram 1500 either. It's Ram 2500 and 3500 heavy-duty trucks. It's the 3500, 4500, and 5500 chassis cabs, as well as the Ram ProMaster vans. So you might be thinking, oh, what about the RHO or the Power Wagon? There's got to be some exceptions. No, the RHO is included in this, and so is the Power Wagon. The only things that aren't included in this powertrain warranty is battery electric vehicles, or BEVs. So basically right now on the lots for Ram, basically the only thing that excludes is really the Ram ProMaster EV. Now, we do have the range extending electric vehicle, basically the Ram 1500 Ram Charger. That's coming out. We don't know if that's going to be covered or not under this. Probably not. And then the Ram 1500 Rev, which is obviously a battery electric vehicle. So that probably won't be covered under it either. But Ram hasn't mentioned that just yet. So basically, Ram ProMaster EV is pretty much the only thing on lots for the first part of 2026 at least that isn't going to get this. Again, we don't know about the Ram Charger or the Rev just yet. So, again, what does it cover? So, it covers the engine, transmission, transfer case, drive shafts, differentials, and the axles for 10 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first. Now, this applies to retail customers or business leases. But if you're a fleet purchaser, you're excluded from it. So fleets aren't part of this. It's also important to note that this program is a little different than the 7-year, 70,000-mile warranty program, because at that program, you could transfer it to another owner if you sold the vehicle. This one, you can't. According to Ram, it says it's only good for the original owner. So keep that in mind. But again, huge news. It's good to see that Ram is, believing in their powertrains and backing it up. And like I said, if you're looking at purchasing an RHO or a Power Wagon, they're included in this. It's just the battery electric vehicles that aren't.
This is the scary stat, though. If you look over this period of time, the length of time that people own their trucks has gone up 30%. Average vehicle on the road, 12.6 years old. Now, add to that, truck buyers, not Ram buyers, all truck buyers are financing everything's gotten expensive. They're financing their purchases. Anybody want to guess? What percentage of the truck buyers finance their truck for more than 7 years? 7 years or more. What percent? 5%? 10%? 15%? Somebody throw me a number. 75. 50? 75. 75. closest to the pin. 85% of the truck buyers finance for 7 years or more. They keep it for 12 years because everything's gotten more expensive. They're either trading down into a mid-sized truck. That's why you see mid-sized sales going up, and we hope to be in that space at some point soon. Or they keep it for 12 years and they finance for 7. But you know what hasn't changed? No one has changed the warranty. They're investing more and more and more money in your brand, but you're not investing more money to protect them. So we're also going to announce today that you guys don't know that we're going to have the best truck warranty in the industry. 10 years, 100,000 miles on a light-duty pickup truck at first, and we'll use this for a few months. And if it seems like people like this idea, we're going to add heavy duty, we're going to add ProMaster, and this will be the plan for every single Ram going forward. We're going to test it with light duty first, because obviously we're already taking orders on 26s. So we think this is going to be a significant move in the right direction, overcome the objection of not having freedom of choice, and overcome the fact that you want to keep it for 12 years and you're financing it for 7 years, but our warranty only lasts 5 years. Best truck warranty in the business.
Tell me more about this warranty package. Just like, have you guys ever done anything like that before?
No.
Never before? What's
No, I
the
mean, the best
inspiration?
we ever had, I think, was back in the day we had the 770, right?
Okay.
But I think today it's actually more important than ever, because those stats are tough. People are keeping their vehicles 30% longer, 12 years they're keeping a vehicle, and they're financing for 7 years. The data tells us that if you finance a vehicle for longer than the warranty, that's fine. But if you finance it for longer than the warranty and you have a failure between the end of the warranty and the end of your payments, you are never coming back to that brand. You're just not. Whether it's the manufacturer's fault or not, it's in your head. And you're going to go try somebody else. And that's why I showed you the loyalty numbers. Because once that happens and I lose them, it's expensive to get it back.
Now, for those who had questioned this and said, hey, this isn't a new product, we heard that it was a new product. Basically, Tim showed us a chart. And what the chart was, there was a bunch of car covers on it. And it kind of showed us, like he said, there's 25 product reveals. And at the time, when we were there, Tim basically said, hey, it's more than 25. There's going to be more than that. But to him, a product reveal doesn't mean that it's going to be a new trim or an engine or a truck or anything like that. This is a product. This is one of his products that he's promoting. This 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty. And it kind of goes hand in hand, because if you look back at what Tim did for Dodge, you might remember this. This is the Never Lift calendar. So what Tim did was he basically made a calendar. It was kind of like a, one of those Christmas calendars where you can, open up a little door and see, what's coming up. An advent calendar. I can't remember the name for some reason. But anyways, this was Dodge's advent calendar, basically. And what happened was, you might see, like here it says Dodge EV Summit. Well, that wasn't a new product. That was an event. That was the EV Day ordeal where we got to see a teaser of the future Dodge Charger Daytona.
Embracing the brand's history while looking to the future.
And then we've seen the Hemi Orange and SRT Black versions of the Challenger and Charger. And then there was the announcement for Never Lift. And then Operation 25/8. And then, of course, we got to see the jailbreak unveiling.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. I choose you.
So you can see kind of how this goes. Like here's the, Tony Stewart Racing announcement. The Chief Donut Maker, basically when they got to announce the Chief Donut Maker kind of thing where they pick somebody to actually, be part of Dodge and promote the brand. The Power Brokers launch, stuff like that. Roadkill Nights. So there isn't just product.
25 new ones. What can you tell us beyond that?
I said 25 product, more than 25 product announcements. Not every one of them is a new vehicle.
Okay.
Like the warranty today, to me, is a significant product announcement. Puts on a vehicle.
There's events and all that stuff. And like for this program, one of those car covers is actually, the Ram 1500 NASCAR Craftsman truck. So keep that in mind when you hear stuff. There's going to be a lot of different things going on, even up to February when Ram goes to Daytona. Tim basically told us there's a lot of car covers up there. There's going to be a lot of stuff going on. So don't just, when Tim says product, don't just think like, hey, it's going to be a new truck. There's going to be 25 new products. There's 25 products, but yes, the warranty is one of those products according to Tim. So anyways, if you want to know more, head over to Mopar Insiders. Check out 5th Gen Rams if you're a 5th Gen Ram owner. Or if you're a heavy duty owner, make sure to check out our website, hdrams.com. So if you liked the video, hit subscribe, hit like, and make sure to stay tuned. There's a lot more stuff coming out. I'll see you later. Bye.